In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using HostGator's website builder tool. Whether you're starting a blog, a site for your business, or just crafting a personal space on the internet, HostGator offers an intuitive platform to make the process both easy and enjoyable. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to log into your HostGator customer portal. Once you're there, look for the website builder tool. It comes included with your hosting plan, so you don't have to worry about extra charges. The builder is your gateway to creating a professional looking website with minimal effort and no need to write any code. Now, once you're inside the website builder tool, you'll see an array of templates. These templates are pre-designed to help guide the aesthetics and layout of your site. Consider what your website is about and choose a template that aligns with your theme or business type. For instance, if you are blogging about food or traveling, you'll want something vibrant and engaging to match the visual nature of your content. Take your time browsing through until you find one that resonates with the look and feel you are going for. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to dive into customization. HostGator makes this process incredibly user-friendly with its drag and drop features. This means you can select various elements and move them around your web pages with just a click and a drag. No technical skill required. This is where your creativity really comes into play. Tweak the aesthetic to suit your brand. Change the color schemes, switch out images, and adjust layouts to reflect your personal or business identity. As you customize, you'll want to add specific elements that enhance the functionality and attractiveness of your site. Consider adding text sections to convey your message clearly. Images are powerful for capturing interest and illustrating your points. You might also want to integrate contact forms so visitors can easily reach out to you. Navigation menus are crucial. They ensure your visitors can easily explore your content. All these elements contribute to a seamless and engaging user experience. Before you go live, it's essential to preview your website. This step allows you to catch any small adjustments that might be necessary. It's your chance to navigate your site as a visitor would and make sure everything looks exactly as you envisioned. It's always better to double check to ensure